Uh, Good evening, myself T. Mohammad Irfan, and my mini project is Diabetes Mellitus Prediction using Machine Learning. Uh, and my team members are M. Ratish Arvine, and our internal supervisor is Mrs. K. Radhika ma'am. And here are the contents of the project: abstract, introduction to ML, algorithm model, system design, modules, prediction of the user data, execution, conclusion. Abstract. The abstract of the project is diabetes mellitus is a chronic disease that is characterized by high blood glucose. Nearly half of all diabetics have households hereditary factors, and failure of pancreas to produce enough insulin and the body inefficient use of insulin may cause of diabetes. And yeah, introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the dataset to automatically learn itself and improve the experience without any explicit program or without any human intervention. The process of learning begins with the observation or data, such as example, direct experience or instruction, in order to look for patterns in data and make better decisions. Machine learning algorithms are often categorized as supervised and unsupervised. Here are the algorithm models which are tested in this project. K nearest neighbors, support vector classifier, decision tree, Gauss-Naive Bayes classifier, random forest classifier, logistic regression, gradient boosting classifier. Modules of the project: load the dataset, taking care of missing values, summarize the dataset, data value visualization, creating validation dataset, build models and make predictions, select best model, save and load the model. Load the dataset. We are going to use the Indian diabetes dataset. The dataset describes the Indian medical records of the patients which are onset of diabetes within 5 years. The attributes are used in this dataset are pregnant, plasma, pressure, mass, pedigree, and class. Taking care of missing values. Sometimes you may find some data are missing in the dataset. We need to equip the handle the problem when we come across. So by missing or removing the data line, you are unknowingly removing the crucial information. So to handle this kind of situations, we have to take the mean of all the values of the same column and have to replace it with the missing data. And system design will be explained by Ratish.
System design. First, the data is prepared in Notepad, then the data is sent to for the pre-processing, then the unsupervised cluster has been done by using the k-means algorithm with different value of seed. Then the data is sent for data cleaning. It means the remove of incorrectly classified data. Then it is sent into supervised classification by using logistic regression algorithm. Then it is sent into model validation. Summarize the data. Now it is time to take a look at the data. In this step, we are going to take a look at the data in a few different ways: dimension of the data set, peek at the data itself, statistical summary of all the attributes, breakdown of data by the class variable, creating validation data set. We need to know that the model we created is good. Later, we use statistical methods to estimate the accuracy of the models that we create in the unseen data. We also want more concrete estimate of the accuracy of the best model of unseen data by evaluating it on actual unseen data. That is, build models and make prediction. We don't know which algorithms would be good on this problem or what configuration to use. We get an idea from the plots that some of the classes are partially linearly separable in some dimensions. So we are expecting generally good results. Let's take by testing 6 different algorithms: k-neighbors classifier, support vector classifier, logistic regression, decision tree classifier, Gaussian Naive Bayes, gradient boosting classifier. Now my friend Vinay continues.
Save the best model. We have total 6 models and accuracy estimation for each. We need to compare the models to each other and select the most accurate. The results in the previous section suggest that LR is the most accurate model. So we use this model as our final model. Save and load the model. You can use the pickle operation to serialize your machine learning algorithms and save the serialized file. This allows you to save your model to file and load it later in order to next slide.
Okay.
Prediction for the user data. Now we start developing front end of the website with the help of Python, so that web application will be up to date and easily adaptable. The अरे अरे आवाज बच्चा बेटा ना prediction for the user data. Now we start developing front end of the website with the help of Python, so that application will be up to date and easily adaptable. This website predicts the diabetes of the person using the model we have developed after machine learning of the PMI Indian database data set. Sorry, execution. First of all, we have to open up our file in terminal. Then we have execute flash execution. First of all, we have to open our file in terminal. Then we have to execute Flash Python file by using command Python file name py. We can see the result of that HTTP address given in the terminal. Irfan, next slide. Diabetes is reaching potentially epidemic proportion in India. The level of mortality due to the diabetes and its potential complications are enormous and pose significant healthcare burdens on both families and society. The economic boom in India, the steady migration of people from rural to urban areas and corresponding change in lifestyle are all affecting the level of diabetes. Yet, despite the increase in diabetes, there remains a study investigating the diabetes because of geographical, socio-economic, and economic nature of such a large and diverse country. At regional and national level, to try the potentially catastrophic increase in diabetes that is predicted for the upcoming years. Thank you.